Hey y'all, how about some teaching time with Miss Tidwell? I've missed you so much. Let's take a look at our calendar for today and see what we have. All right, so it's a new week. Last week, Friday, April 3rd, but we weren't here Saturday, Sunday, and remember, there's 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Who can tell me, Sophia, tell me, who can tell me what's today? If it's not Friday, when we went past Saturday, Sunday, today is Monday, 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 Monday. Hey, it's Marvelous Monday, and it's Monday, April. It's not the 3rd. If we just went, that was Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So 3 plus 3 is going to equal, good, 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So today is Monday, April 6th, 2020. Friday, we were at school 144 days of school, and 144 plus 1 more. Remember, plus 1 is the next number. So 144, 145. Let's add it to our ones. When we just did that, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 plus 1 more equals 5. So now we have to make sure the picture and the number, it has to match. Bloop. 145, there's in our ones place. So when you have 1 in the hundreds, 4 in the tens, 5 in the ones, that makes what number? 145. 145 days of school. And if I said, what kind of number is 5? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Those are odd all the time. It is odd. So if we said, I can count by tens, like the bees in a hive, I can count by tens, and I'll start with 5. 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 105, 115, 125, 135, 145. 145 days of school. All right, with 145 days, let's go ahead and write a number sentence in. Can you say it? Expanded notation. 145. I'm trying to whisper because the rest of my family is out in another room and they're doing their work. Hannah's doing her schoolwork. Emma's doing her schoolwork. Mr. Joe is doing a work phone call. So everybody in the Tidwell house is all working just like you're doing now. All right, 145. Expanded notation. Remember, you don't just say it's 1. 100 plus, don't say it's 4 because it's 4 tens, which means it is 40. Plus, don't say it's 5 because it's 5. Wait, you do say it's 5. Ha ha. 100 plus 40 plus 5 equals what? 145. Oh, I had to squeeze it in so tight. 145. Remember, commutative property. You can add numbers in any order. The answer stays the same. The answer stays the same. My neighbors just walked by. They were looking. They think I'm crazy. I'm not crazy. I'm fun for my boys and girls that are watching, right? Miss Tidwell, you might be just a little bit crazy too. Oh well, silly me. All right, writing it in another way. 40 plus 5 plus 100 equals what? Say what, say what? You got it. What if I did this one? You help. 5 plus, plus. What's missing? 100. Great. And it still equals what? 145. Remember, the ones means one group of 100. The 4 means 4 groups of 10. The 5 means 5 groups of ones, 5 ones, because this is our place value. Hundreds, tens, ones. Place value. When you can do this, it makes it easier to do money. And if you can do money, you can do this. You have to look for those connections. What time is it? What time is it? Da -dun, da -dun, da -dun, da. Charlie. Charlie. Charlie, Landon, Luke. Those are my nieces and nephews that are watching from their home too. So big shout out, woo woo, to you watching. All right, what time? 12 o'clock, peekaboo. What time is this? Let me do this one. I like doing these. Do 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 do. The hour, 12. Minute, if that was 10, 11, 12. What time is it? 12, 12. 12, 12. On the analog clock. What time is this? Shoop. In the middle, go back 1. Straight down, you say 30. 1:30, or you can call it 1:30. Let's add our tally to our weather chart. Weather chart. What's it like out? Oh, what's the weather? Oh, what's the weather? Can I move this and it be okay? What's the weather? Oh, there's my palm from yesterday. It was a special day. All right, it looks like a sunny day. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Oh, I need to fix my hair. Oh, you're not looking at my hair. Sunny, bloop. Here it is. And tally mark. Remember, Khalees, you count these if it looks like karate chop. 1, 2, 3, 4, hi-ya, that makes 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, hi-ya, that makes 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, hi-ya, that makes 5. So, ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 101, 102. We've had 102 sunny days. Sunny is greater than snowy. We've had the greatest number of sunny days. We've had less rainy than cloudy. We've had less cloudy than sunny. We've had more cloudy than snowy and rainy combined. There's more than one thing you can say about the weather. With just another moment that's here, I want to talk to you about something that I had you boys and girls looking at on your seesaw for your assignment today. Now, for your assignment today on your seesaw, you've been looking at fractions, how to be able to look at the parts of a whole, the parts of a whole. And I hope now that when you're looking at things like that with parts of a whole, you can start to notice. I'll even tell you a quick little example. I made sandwiches for Emma and Hannah. I tried to make them in fun ways so they didn't say their sandwiches were so boring. Pretend like this is a perfect sandwich square. I know it's not. I cut the sandwich this way. I was able to cut the sandwich this way. I made 6 sandwiches, and when I cut it, it was 12 parts. I cut the sandwich this way. I cut the sandwich this way so that I was still being able to have 1, 2 parts in the whole thing. 1, 2 parts in the whole thing. 1, 2 in the whole thing. 1, 2 in the whole thing. When we got home, almost all the sandwiches were eaten except this one. So 1/2 of a sandwich was left. It's still in my refrigerator. Okay, so when the whole thing, the whole thing was eaten. That was eaten. That was eaten. One was left. There was half of a sandwich left. It just made me think about that because I was like, oh, there's fractions. But now for today's math assignment that you're going to be looking at on your seesaw, it is when you are still making equal parts, but when you have a number of objects to be able to put into equal parts. So here's my story I wanted to share with you. Mom, here's Mama. There is Landon, Luke, Charlie, Mama Savannah. Ah, I made a story. Okay, so Mom Savannah, she made cookies for Charlie, Luke, and Landon. There they are. She made 12 cookies. They're on the tray. So if Mom says it has to be a fair share, that way Landon can't say, I want 6 cookies and y'all can have the rest. That wouldn't be fair if he has 6 because nobody else would be able to get that many without it being a fair share. So we can't do that. Be nice. All right, here we go. If we want to share with the fair share of the cookies, we can say Landon gets one, bloop. Luke gets one, bloop. They're holding their plate. They look like little waiters. Little waiters, give me my cookie, please. All right. Landon got one, Luke got one, Charlie got one, Savannah got one. Again, Landon gets one, Luke gets one, Charlie gets one, Mama gets one. So far, how many cookies do they each have? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Is that a fair share so far? Yes. Is there enough to keep letting them have more? Yes. So let's give a few more cookies. All right. Landon gets one. Luke gets one. Charlie gets one. Savannah gets one. Are there any more cookies to give out? Nope. Now all the cookies are gone. There were 12 cookies on the tray. How many, when it was a fair share, did each one get? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So if they each got 3 cookies, is that a fair share? Yes. Nobody got more than somebody else. Nobody got less than anyone else. So it is now fair. It's a fair share. And we can see that when we had 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that's going to equal how many in the whole thing? 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 more, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus 3 more, 9, 10, 11, 12. We just realized that when we have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, it equals 12, which is how many cookies were on the tray that Savannah made. Guys, say thanks, Mom. All right. So remember, when you're doing a fair share, yes, it is like fractions here. We also made fair shares here. So when we said that Landon, he got 1/4 of the cookies. Luke got 1/4 of the cookies. Charlie got 1/4 of the cookies. Savannah got 1/4 of the cookies. They all got 1/4 because Luke was one person, but there were how many in the whole thing? 4. Equal parts, making it a fair share. Have a great day. Thanks, family, for helping me with my teaching story today. Thank you, my first graders. I miss you so much. Have a great day. See you soon.